What's going on, guys? It's your boy Nanu Garage. Here I am out in the Shelby Gt350. Man, this thing sounds so good. It hooks up to the road so well. Whew. Anyway, so as I was gonna say, yesterday I was rolling with the crews, me, Crazy LA, two other Shelbys, which is pretty cool, to the Euro Union meet. And the Euro Union meet was supposed to be popping, so we had a nice pre-meet going, and we were all driving together, and there was some traffic on the way there, so we were all doing the speed limit, of course, and under, all just like kind of chilling in a lane just like this. We're also louder than we needed to be because, you know, the echo on the bridge is real nice. Pretty nice to rev this thing up, get those nice burbles on the car. This thing just sounds like a riot, so it was really fun to do those kinds of things. So we're all being loud, having fun. That's what you do when you're with the homies, you know. You just want to have fun, you want to be loud, you want to enjoy yourself. So then I see this lady in a truck roll down her window, and she looks over at my friend Emerson, and she starts flipping this dude off. And I was like, what? Why is she flipping him off? And then she does it to him. She does it to like 5 other people we're riding with, and she's basically just doing it to the whole squad, you know? One of those kinds of things. She's doing it to the whole entire squad, and I'm kind of like, bro, you don't mess with my squad like that, right? So I pull out my camera like this, and I start filming, and I see her flip off my friend. So let's just roll the clip of what ended up happening. Flipping us all off. You too! You too! So yeah, what do you guys think of that? She honestly, she had it coming, bro. She had it coming. Like, yeah, it was crazy. And then on our last encounter, after all that fiasco, she ended up pulling her phone out to film me. What? I don't know why she pulled out her phone. She's probably like, hey, you would never believe what this kid did to me today. He flipped me off, but I don't know. That's her side or whatever, but you know, I filmed it from the beginning. That was like, it was so funny. But that I found very funny. Some people just can't handle that voodoo symphony, you know. It's a very good song that I like to play, and my people like to play, but some people really don't like it, I guess, and they're not so fond of it. But man, this car sounds amazing, and I guess people get jealous when they don't have a car that sounds as good as this one. So let me know what you guys thought of that down below in the comment section. She had it coming. She had it going, but it was really funny that I caught it on video, because if I'm being honest with you guys, little stuff like this happens all the time with civilians around me, and it's just never really caught on video. But since we were going to the Euro Union meet, and I wanted to get some rollers for the boys, with them rolling beside me, some cool clips, that camera just sitting in my passenger seat, and I saw her do that, and I just hit that record button as fast as I could. Let me know what you guys thought of that down below in the comment section. I thought it was hilarious, and I needed to make a video on that. Gave me a good laugh, gave me a good smile. Let me know if something like this has ever happened to you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
मेरे दुश्मन